Hi guys, welcome once again to Techly Things. Now today in the program I'll be showing you how to use a branch cutter. Now this branch cutter is called Fiskars and this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna just show you the various parts on it and I'll show you how it works. So this is it. And just remember, if you're new to the program, please subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, do the right thing. Click the notification bell. So I'm gonna show you the parts and do a demonstration. Now what you're looking at there is the brand, Fiskars brand. This is the stick. It's about 6 feet long and it can extend. Now that's the cord with the lever there, and I'm pulling down the blade. It acts as a scissors with the spring at the back. I really like the construction of it, and that there that's the lever, the button, and that pulls it. So yeah, so I press the button and I pull it, and you see it's stretched to about 12 to 15 feet long. So if you're picking something that is way out of your reach, then you can always use that to push out, and you retract it and you get it to your desired length. So I'll use it to cut some coconuts from the trees. I'll be doing it from 2 different trees and show you the various ways of getting them down. So just stick around with me guys and you'll see. Right, so yes, I'm getting under the tree. I have a couple coconuts there, so this is how it works. Now you get the stick. You want to get a spot where the hook can go around. Trying to find a good one. And yep. Yeah. Sometimes it takes a little work if it's not a good place to get a good leverage. And I think, yeah, this look like it. So once you get that, you pull the lever. No, thought I got it. So got it now. Pull the lever and there you go. Right, that's the first one. I'm going for the second one now. Takes a little work once you get it in. You pull the lever down and that's the second one. Now I'm going for the penultimate one now. This one takes a little work because I'm trying to get the hook in, and I got it in now, so I'm pulling down. It's a little skillfulness there. That's going for the final one now. Normally I just go for the bunch, but I want to see how it works, so this is the best view. Look at it carefully. I'm gonna pull it down and last one. So I found myself at the second tree now. This one has a little bit more coconuts, so I'm showing you how I take it off by the old bunch. This is a dry one, and see, wrap that thing around, pull the cord down, pull it down. There's a little problem here because the branch is holding on to the other part of the lever, but just working a little magic around, and here we go. That's one. Trying to clear this tree. So I'm going for another branch. This is dry coconuts now, so I'm taking this down as well. Wrap it around. There we go. I need to do it once more because the first pull was not enough. It didn't span it properly, and 2 times. Here we go. There we go. 3 times. And it's down. So we're going for the younger, the green coconuts now. So these have a lot of sprongs around. So I'm trying to clip them to get a good leverage or a good spot to cut the coconuts. So I'm cutting them limb by limb. I'm just trying to work my way around so that I get a good spot to cut the coconuts from. Yes. I'm making some progress here. Yeah, I think I find a good spot now. So just a little work. And then this is how you pull the card. Pull. There we go. That's the first one. Sometimes they fall and they break or they burst open, but this one didn't. I always try to get some cushioning on it. There we go again. So this time I'm just taking the entire bunch. It has a few leaves on it, so just give it some work. Pull. Yeah, there it is. I think I got a good grip now, so it's just a matter of working the arms. It's supposed to be coming down now. Just a little bit more work and it should be down. Come on, muscle. There we go. Well done. So thanks again guys for watching this video. I hope you do enjoy it as much as I enjoy taking it to you. So once again, this is Duke Rick saying peace out.